This is SupportForge, an AI customer support platform built on a retrieval-augmented generation pipeline. Let me show you what it can do. I'm logged in as a Novamart customer. I'll jump straight into a conversation. I spend about $2,000 a year on Novamart. I'm currently Silver. Should I get Premium? Watch the response stream in real time, token by token through WebSocket. The system pulls from the knowledge base and correctly identifies that $2,000 qualifies for Gold, not Silver. If we check the actual document, Gold requires $1,500 to $4,999 annual spend. Every number is grounded in the source data. Now the follow-up. Okay, so I'm Gold then. What exactly does Gold give me that Silver doesn't? Full conversation context is maintained. No repetition, no confusion. And notice the source citation card at the bottom. Expand it. You see exactly which document was retrieved with a relevance score. The customer and the admin can both verify where the answer came from. Now let's test what the system won't do. What's the direct phone number for Novamart CEO? That information isn't in the knowledge base. And instead of making something up, the system says it doesn't have a confident answer and offers to escalate. No hallucinated phone numbers, no fabricated contacts. The anti-hallucination guard catches it. Now the customer explicitly asks, I want to talk to a human agent. The conversation is flagged for escalation. But here's the interesting part. The user sends one more message after that. The system does not call the language model. It returns a static reply, letting the customer know their conversation has been escalated and a human will review everything. This skips the LLM entirely, saving compute while still capturing every message for the agent. Switching to the admin account. The review queue badge has lit up. Under the Escalations tab, this conversation appears with trigger type explicit request. Expand a row, full conversation history, right here. The admin can review and follow up without switching screens. I'll also dislike a response as the customer. Now under the negative feedback tab, the admin sees the exact question, the AI's answer, and the sources, all in one expandable row. One click to mark it reviewed. This is how you set it all up. The admin panel lets you select chat and embedding models. Ollama for self-hosted or Gemini for cloud, each with its own API key. The temperature slider adjusts response creativity. Below that, document upload. Drag and drop your files, PDF, Markdown, CSV, or plain text. The system chunks the content, contextualizes each chunk through an LLM, then embeds everything into ChromaDB. You can see the ingestion status in real time, pending, processing, ready. The analytics dashboard. Conversation volume trends over time, a topic cloud showing the most queried subject from your knowledge base, and a satisfaction gauge driven by customer thumbs up and thumbs down feedback. SupportForge, multi-tenant with full data isolation, a hybrid RAG pipeline with vector search plus BM25 fusion, real-time WebSocket streaming, smart escalation with post-escalation resource savings, anti-hallucination validation, source-cited answers, and a complete admin dashboard. Built with FastAPI, React, PostgreSQL, ChromaDB, and Ollama. Thanks for watching.